guys, Cal here. I was watching a video a week or two ago from the Shaving Tulsan, Timmy Tushes, and he did an unboxing and shave review using a really nice looking razor that he had just gotten. Very inexpensively off Amazon for $25 USD. So of course I had to pause the video and rush and go buy it. So I think I've only done one unboxing video, and that was when I first started making these videos. So today we're going to get this for the first time. I haven't even opened it other than take it out of the Amazon envelope. So let's give this a go. So you see what we've got here. So you got the Eunoria Dark Chrome 3 double-edged safety razor, made in China. Like I said, I did watch the Shaving Tulsan's video, so I might be a little bit biased based on what he said. Empty box. Comes in this beautiful wooden box. Like I said, I just got this on Amazon a few days ago. I've been fighting the urge to open it. You got the foam interior. Nice little card. So it explains about using the blade, using cream, using a brush, don't use excessive amounts of water, disabling the razor, installing the blades, preparation, yada yada yada. So, nice little explanation. Little thank you card for purchasing, customer service. That aside. And this is what you get. Just beautiful. I did read one comment, I believe it was on Amazon, that given the kind of attention they put on presentation, to go with this cheap foamy look instead of maybe going with a Lion box. But still, what you got. I love that. Laser etch on the head. See the combs. The Eunoria written on the butt of the razor. Counterclockwise knurling, which might be a problem for me where I'm left-handed. Beautiful three-piece. What we'll do. So we have got about a 3 5/8 handle length. Total length of about 4 inches. Set that in imperial. So you've got a weight of 3.7 ounces. Now in grams. Oops. .106 grams. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a Voss cut in here that's been used once before, and we're going to give this a shave in a second separate video and then talk about it some more. So yeah, hope you'll watch that second part for the review and the shave with it. So thanks very much, guys. We'll see you very soon.